Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to talk to you about a little bit about BlackBox stocks and its alerts and the stock workhorse and just what's going on overall in the market. Before I get started, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my video. The likes really go ahead and somehow really set up the algorithm so my video can get out there and be more seen. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. So first I want to show you BlackBox stocks. It actually did alert workhorse this morning at 8:13 a.m. But so BlackBox stocks is not just for stock options; it's actually for stocks also. So you can trade penny stocks on it or any alert that really comes across because workhorse wouldn't be considered a penny stock. But um, but yeah, so the alert came through around 8:13 a.m. And let's see, and this is the good thing about BlackBox stocks. So right now I'm gonna kind of show you the stock side of it. So the alert came through at 8:13 a.m. and the price at the alert was $15.95. So that's when the alert came in, and it looks like pre-markets it even went up to just about $18. So even if you were trading just trading stocks, you could have gained at least $2 right there just on playing the stock with the workhorse. So after that alert came in this morning, it kind of dropped back down to open and then ran back up, midday and kind of leveled back out to the close. But there was actually a lot of options activity and flow in it, and I'm gonna pull that up too. Here it is right here. So with this one, they were actually really bullish for the future of the stock, and I kind of see why. So I had to do just a little bit of research on it, just figuring out what exactly they do, what they have going on. So basically, they have electric vehicles. And there's a rumor going around saying there might be having a partnership. Actually, I'm sorry, a partnership with the USPS. So that'll be good for them. They get electric, more cleaner vehicles running. And one thing that kind of stuck out to me about this is how a lot of people were big to jump in Nikola, and they're a company that hasn't even, for one, put out any type of truck or rendering or or just a live model of what their car would look like. And they're just starting to take their pre-orders. They're way behind what this company is already doing. Like I was reading this article on it, and it was basically saying this company is already in production, commercialization mode. And a company like Nikola was Nikola wouldn't rival it, but they're almost in the same area of just the electric truck making. But this truck making, they call it basically like this third leg of delivery. So once your package gets to being in your neighborhood or around your town, delivering around or any mail that service, that's the type of business they're in. So, but yeah, so they're already producing cars and getting partnership deals, and then like I said, maybe once all those Robinhood traders really get a good win of the stock, which I feel like a lot of Wall Street and retail traders already know about it already, but once it really gets some more popularity, you can see this thing run up a good amount. And I actually want to show you the chart on this one. Here it is right here. Sweet. And let's see if we can go back to 20-day. Yeah, so here's a 20-day chart right here. You can see it's just been on a steady rise. It hit a high of $20 today actually. So we'll see if we can break that high tomorrow, next week, or whenever. And like I said, the flow in this name, they were coming in, let's see, for next year, January 2021, October of this year, they were hitting those strikes. July 17, those are pretty close ones. But yeah, so I mean, even if you look just right here, that's about $1 million right there in sweeps alone. Yeah, that's about $1 million in sweeps right there alone. And like I said, so going back to BlackBox, if you were able to go ahead and see this alert come in, and if you were just to trade some stocks in pre-market, you can't trade options pre-market, but you can trade some stocks pre-market, or just have the mental note that okay, because to backtrack, a lot of stocks, and sometimes like the alert of these penny stocks don't actually have stock options, so you kind of miss out on that, but this one does. So if you were able to see that alert come in at 8:13 a.m., you could just be like, okay, I see that alert came in, they have stock options, let me go ahead and get in before the game, and able to collect all that run all the way up to 20, so it's just like let me go to this chart. This is better for me. Looks like it opened up just at $17, you know, and it ran up all the way up to 20. You know, not bad for, you know, for a day's work if you're trading some stock options. But yeah, so I, you know, I think this is, you know, this stock is really looking up for the future. I mean, even the flow today was all, let's see, all call flow except for 1, 2, 3, 4, except for 4 put in. Those are probably people just hedging their positions. Yeah, that's 115. Yeah, a $500,000 sweep right here in the put. That's probably just someone hedging their position. You know, they probably already had another position come in. Actually, that's probably, this is the same person right here. Actually, $1,000,000. This is $1,000,000 right here in a put sweep right here. But you know, like I said, they're probably just hedging their position that they might have. They might be long on it already, just hedging it because it kind of did get overbought today a little bit, but it still has a lot more room to run. And like I said, if you're looking at, you know, if you compare it to a stock like Nikola, which stocks just ran up, you know, and kind of is overhyped. I think the real reason why that stock just why it ran up so much is just because, you know, people thought, oh, it's a rival of Tesla, but you know, they're not even near what Tesla's even, you know, even doing it. They haven't even put out, you know, like I said, haven't put out even a car yet to see exactly what it's going to look like. So that's that on Workhorse. I think that's about it. I wanted to kind of go over today. Let's see, I'm at 6 minutes right now, but I think that's about it. You know, actually, I do have an affiliate link actually for BlackBox stocks. I'm just go ahead and start putting that in the bio of these videos, so you can go ahead and use that link to sign up for it, you know, guys. And I'm going to do a month. I'm going to do another video basically over a review of the BlackBox stock, since I've been in the program now for a little over a month. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving the software so far, guys. You know, and like I said, you know, this right here is a testament of what it can do. You know, it alerted this at 8:13. You know, and the stock ran all the way up to $20. So you know, even if you were just trading stocks in this one, you didn't have to sell pre-market. Even if you held from, you know, $15.95 all the way up to $20, that's not, you know, that's not bad returns at all, especially for, you know, day trading stocks. Okay, you know, stocks really don't run up, you know, $4 like that, you know, out of nowhere. So loving the program so far. I think that's about everything I wanted to touch base on today. Like I said again, guys, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my videos so I can go ahead and get you some more videos out there. I'm still kind of, you know, posting different types of videos here and there, just seeing what you guys like by how many views and likes the videos get. So if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I got my first thumbs down the other day, so I think I was a little more excited about that than the actual like. So so yeah, guys, thanks for watching.